hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper boat. So let's start. So first we have to do this here and do that there. So now I got to first so don't. So it cannot be that high that I want to do it like this. Then go. So I did that now. So now you see this. Now you guys want to so now you got to put it there like that, and then you got to put your boat this way here, and put your so I did it. So now you got to do the build here, but I did something wrong here. I find the people here. Now you got to press it like don't press it too much. Now you got to open. Now you got to go below this right here, and then you got to open this right here and then you got to okay done. So I did it in this place. So now you got to put your boat like this, and like this. You got to press it here, and then you got to go take it back here. So first you got to take that off and put this one above you, your one, but this is not hitting there. But it's fine if you don't hit there. And now you, okay, so now you have to do it this way there. And then you go back to this way, and then you got to do it this way there. So you see that it's not hitting that corner, but it's fine. So this is how it looks like right now. Then I go. Okay guys, so now you have to open that there. Okay, then you got to do that there. And then you got to press it a little bit because it's going to broke. If you don't do that, then okay guys, so now you have to open it like this. So before you do anything, you got to put one there, and you got to do the same thing on this side. Put one there. So now if we put it up like that, so this is the boat. I know it's done doesn't run. I like it. So before I end this video, let me make so this. If anyone see my boat, they got to know who am I. There we go. Before I end this, let me actually color this a little bit from here because I like red, so I'm coloring it red. You can color it with whenever you want to, but I'm coloring it red because I like red. So let me color half of this and stop the camera for a bit. Okay guys, alright. So color this. So this one will turn out. I know it's really good. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.